You better turn up. You better be.
Hey Crochet Cruisers, for Panama Crochet Cruise, I'm your host Mikey of the Crochet Crowd. Will be your onboard host for this particular cruise. That's what we're calling it this time. You don't know exactly what you're going to be making, but what we are going to do is that you have some homework to do, and you need to do 32 motifs. Not 32 each of these, but each one of these has an assigned number and there's an assigned pattern that is here. We also have instructions on the coloring that you should think about, but I'm also recommending that you use your own creativity and think outside the box, because you don't know what you're making. It's going to be kind of fun, and I think that you'll see some amazing coloring options when you're on the cruise. So what we have here is that we have 3 different projects that you can potentially do, but because you can mix and match your projects together, you can choose something in project 3 and apply it to project 1 when you're getting those clues on the ship. So this is the only time you're going to get the first set of clues. The next set of clues, clue number 2, that you will get onto the ship. So you have to get your homework done first. Now what we have done, just for clarity, is that we provided what the designer has suggested for project 1, 2, and 3. So if you would like to do more than one project, just choose the project that you would like to do, and then whatever ones that you would like to add in afterward. Also recommending that you please bring the yarn that you are going to use for these. So whatever yarn is left over in your balls, I want you to bring those with you, because we may not have those color tones available to you on the ship. If, for example, you started to understand what we're doing and you needed to change this motif to a different color, or you had to make more of this and switch it out for something else, then you will have that particular color tone with you. We cannot guarantee, because of so many selections of color, that we will have that with you on there. Also recommending Red Heart Super Saver or Bernat Super Value yarn, or an equivalent to those two. It's going to be really kind of a fun little project for you to be able to do, and we will have the remaining of the yarn that is available to you. So just bring the colors that you're going to use. Also, let's talk about the little bit of colors that you can use within your flower motifs, just like so. In the flower motifs, what they're recommending is that each one of these flowers can be a different color. So it says to make 6 of these. You can have 6 different colors of these, and it's just, honestly, there's not a lot of yarn there, and you can choose your favorite color and bring that a particular color with you on the ship if you wish, and then the rest of the motif is kind of a solid. You can also make the middle a different color, so if you want to see black or another different color in the middle, and then you can apply your petals, and then the outside color should kind of match the others that you're going to work on. Also with this flower, you can do the same thing. The middle can be a different color. The flowers, each one of them should be a different color if you would like to. Just have them kind of like they're uniform together, and then of course the outside color that will join with other ones that you will see like this then should be complementary, so it looks like it matches. So we have all these available to you, and we're gonna get started, and we're gonna just work our way. Now I'm recommending a 4mm size G/6 crochet hook. Also stitch markers for you to be able to identify. Most of these are going in a continuous circle so that there is no slip stitching available to you. So unless it's stated otherwise, it's just in a continuous circle, and you use the stitch marker in order to follow that through. So what we're going to do is that I'm going to start you, and we're gonna just work our way incrementally through these, and I'll show you 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's see you in the next video, and we'll start the plain pentagons, and you need to make 5.